Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows 11 is ready. Check your version and sign into the Microsoft account in the store so installations are seamless. Once done, enable the App Installer optional feature if it isn't present because the YouTube Progressive Web App may need it. This prevents sideloading blockers. Make sure updates are installed, then open Microsoft Store and search. These prerequisites reduce permission prompts and speed the next steps. Now you install the app. If it's in the store, click Install, otherwise open YouTube. Com and Edge, go to the three-dot menu and select Apps, then install this site as an app. You do this because the Edge-based Progressive Web App gives app-like behavior without an exe. Allow any permission prompts, notifications, media access, so features work. Once installed, pin it to Start or Taskbar for quick access. This makes launching as easy as a native app. Finish by customizing. Pin the new YouTube app to Taskbar and Start, sign into your account, and set default behaviors. Those small steps save time. If playback or login fails, clear Edge cache, uninstall the app, then reinstall. This resolves corrupted PWA state. Also check app permissions and Windows firewall rules if streaming stalls. If nothing works, switch to Edge's profile or use Microsoft Store Repair on the app. This often restores functionality without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.